Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, VS Code and get installed, and you have a GitHub account. Open your project folder in VS Code and check the source control view. Next, decide SSH versus personal access token. SSH keys give passwordless auth, while a PAT is simpler on Windows. Once decided, open a terminal in VS Code and run SSH keygen or create a PAT in GitHub settings. Make sure to copy the key or token now so you can add it to GitHub immediately. Now configure authentication and remotes inside VS Code. If using SSH, paste your public key into GitHub and verify SSH tget at GitHub.com. If using a PAT, store it in the Credential Manager or VS Code Git authentication prompt. Then set your repo remote with git remote add origin and the repository URL. Replace user and repo accordingly. Configure Git user, name and user, email so commits are attributed correctly. Once done, stage and commit a small change, then push with git push uorigin main to establish traffic. Finish by using VS Code's source control UI to create branches, open pull requests, and review diffs. Always pull before pushing to reduce conflicts. When conflicts occur, open both versions in the editor and accept or combine changes, then git add and commit. Make sure push and pull work across machines by adding your SSH key to the agent or saving the PAT. If something fails, check your remote URL. Confirm SSH agent is running, verify PAT scopes, and clear credential cache.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.